Hi everyone, my name is Marta and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be overhauling my small pantry, which is basically what you see over here. Now it is not completely cluttered, however I want to make it more functional for me and my family so it's easier to find things, we don't waste time looking for things, and it's just overall more efficient. So I'm gonna be clearing it out, cleaning it and organizing it, and along the way I'm gonna share different tips that you can use to make it more functional for yourself as well. So the first tip that I have for you is anytime you are decluttering any space is to take everything out. Sometimes you don't know what you have or how much of a certain thing you have until you actually have it taken out of the cabinet or a different area. It is just different. So think of it this way. Anytime that you had to move from one house, apartment to another, isn't it amazing how much stuff we had when you actually put it in the boxes? If everything is put away, it doesn't seem like we have that much stuff. But once we take it out, then we get the reality check. So same thing with decluttering. Take everything out so you can actually see what you are working with. Hi, my name is Marta and I make a lot of videos about household management. So you're gonna see a lot of routines and systems to help us working moms balance it all. I'm all about finding ways to make things more efficient so we can spend less time on our chores and responsibilities and more time on the things that we actually love to do. So make sure that you are subscribed down below and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you are coming back to my channel as a subscriber, welcome back. So another tip that I have for you is to organize your pantry so you have similar items in one area. So for example, we have a box with oils over here and a container with things like vinegar. So it makes it easier. If you're looking for oil, you know it's gonna be in this container. tip that I'm going to give you is if you are the type of person who likes to buy a variety of things. So for example, pasta is a good example. If you like different shapes and different kinds of pasta, I could easily end up with like 8 of those containers over here. So what I suggest, if you have a small pantry, limit yourself to a few choices. Once you use up one kind, then you can move to something else. Kind of create like this variety experience. But you don't have to have every single one out at the same time. Another tip is to try to get everything out of the original container and put it in glass jars or plastic containers. That is a common tip that you see when you see those videos, and it just saves a lot of space. It looks nicer, you don't have to stack boxes on top of each other, and you can clearly see how much of an item you actually have left. If you have snacks in boxes, it's hard to see how much you have left. So you either run out of the item or you keep on buying it every time you go to the store because you think you don't have enough. And then a little bit later you have 3 boxes that are all opened and they are about halfway filled. So to avoid all that chaos, make sure you transfer it to clean containers or jars so you can easily see how much of it you have left. Another thing to keep in mind with a small pantry is that you obviously cannot have everything in that pantry. So have the items that you use all the time and have enough of it to last you at least a week. That way you can restock it once a week. And it's probably a good idea to pick a day, maybe when you are cleaning your kitchen, to restock your pantry so it becomes a habit and you are not constantly running out of things. Anything extra, find a different storage space for yourself in the house. For me, that's our basement, and I shared that storage in a previous video, so I'm gonna link it up here, so check it out if you wanna see. But this is basically as much as I can store in here, I'm storing in here. Anything else goes somewhere else to make it more clean and more functional. I'm gonna link all the containers and different bins that I'm using in this video down below. Some of them are from Amazon, the white ones are from Walmart. I got them a while ago. I know they were very inexpensive, but I can't remember the price. But I'm gonna look for them and link them down below if they have it online. Another tip I have for you is to label some of those containers. I don't label everything. If I know just by looking at the container what it is, I don't feel like I need to label it. But things like, flour or pancake mix or sugar, those are the ones that I typically label just to make sure that I know exactly what's inside. The next tip that I have for you is to organize your pantry so the most commonly used things are easy to reach. Anything that you don't use on a regular basis, like a daily basis, can go a little bit higher. So then you can get a chair to get it out, but you don't want to put things that you use every day all the way up high, because then you're gonna be aggravated every single day. So for example, my slow cooker is over here. I can still reach it. I don't use it every day. I probably use it once, sometimes twice a week. And then things like snacks and pastas and flour and things that I use for cooking are all within reach. So it's easier and more efficient for me to get it in and out of the pantry. And that is all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.